Hey, Right Riders, Keith Wheeler here. Today, as you can tell, is going to be a little different. Today is going to be more of a vlog type video. I have a house full of people for the holidays, but I didn't want to skip this week's video because I have a huge announcement to make. This has been a passion project for the longest time, but it's finally done. I've actually come out with my very first course. And this course is called Puzzle Book Domination. And it is over 4 hours worth of content where I show you how to create 14 completely different puzzle types and game types. I show you intros, I show you step-by-step tutorials. I'll even give you instruction files that you can download and use in your own puzzle books, so you don't even have to come up with instructions for the game if you don't want to. There are lessons where I talk about puzzle book covers. There are lessons where I tell you how to build a brand, how to integrate puzzle creation software with the puzzle types that I teach in the course, and a whole lot more. So I'm going to include a link to it down in the video description below, but you can just go to kwheelerbooks.com/pb course for puzzle book course. That's again kwheelerbooks.com/pb course. I'm going to be adding new puzzle types or game types in there periodically as I come up with one. But the important thing is that these are puzzles that not only I've researched and created myself, but I've actually integrated them into books that have actually sold. So I'm not just giving you some random puzzle types or game types or anything like that. These are ones that I've actually sold. Oh, and I almost forgot. I even cover how to create custom games for your puzzle books. So games that won't exist in anybody else's book. You can all learn that in this course. Again, kwheelerbooks.com/pb course. So from now until next Tuesday, which is the 22nd of December, I'm actually knocking $100 off the price of the course. So the course price will be $97 for this week and this week only. After launch week, after the 22nd of December 2020, it will go up to the full price, which is $197, which is still a huge deal. I mean, you're talking over 4 hours worth of content. It's like having 4 hours, just you and I talking about puzzle books. So again, if you want to check out Puzzle Book Domination, you can go to kwheelerbooks.com/pb course and learn more. I wanted to make this video sweet, quick, and to the point. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comments below. Also, if you check out the course and there's puzzle types that you've heard of, but you want to know how to make them, you can let me know about that as well. So again, head on over to check out that course and do that in another browser window, because on this browser window, what you're going to do is you're going to check out this video right here, because YouTube says you're going to love it. I'll catch you next video, and remember to write right.